Hey guys, so today I'm going to be filming how I did this look. This beautiful ponytail. And if you guys want to just see how I did it, just continue watching. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. And thank you so much. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. The first thing I'm going to start by doing is brushing my hair up into a messy ponytail to see where I want my bun to sit. Once I have figured out exactly where I want my ponytail, I'm going to go in with some eco styling gel and start slicking my edges down, making sure that I get the back nice and straight. My ponytail secured, I will be going in with some mousse. You can choose any mousse of your liking, but I use I forgot, but I'll put it in the description box down below. So I'm just gonna take this and go around my edges and make sure that all the flyaways are secure and laid down. All my edges are laid down. I will be going in with some wrapping paper, I think it's called. I will also put that in the description bar down below. I got this from the beauty supply store. I'm just gonna take one across the front of my forehead and one across the back. And I'm gonna wrap my whole head with a silk scarf to apply pressure and make sure that everything is laid and slayed, sis. Here I am dividing my hair, getting it ready to braid. I do start braiding down slightly and then start adding hair, as you see right here. And I just continue to do that until I get the braid to the length I desire. Now I'm going to take more wrapping paper and wrap that around the parts of my hair that are exposed so that I do not get glue on my hair. And as you can see, I'm just going to take a few pieces and wrap it around my bun or ponytail. Now that my hair is protected by the wrap, I will be going in with the 10-inch loose deep hair that I got from the beauty supply store. The brand is Milky Way. It is a synthetic hair. I will now be putting glue on the tracks, as you see right here, and applying it to the bottom of my braid. Once I get the hair secure on the braid, I will begin to repeat the process of gluing, wrapping, gluing, and wrapping until I get all the way to the top. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. Looks nice and full. And I love it. If you guys like this look, just give me a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more hair videos and how I do my hair, just comment down below. And oh, it's on the screen. Just comment down below and I will be happy to go ahead and make more videos for you guys. I'm gonna try to start posting regularly, probably either on Fridays or Sundays. A new video will go up. Don't hold me to that, but I'm definitely gonna be trying to produce more videos for you guys. I just love making videos and, you know, looking cute for you guys. Bye guys, thanks so much for watching.